Okay, here we are. Cylinder head removal did not go so well, but that's okay. These three bolts here are completely encrusted in salt, and they were stuck on the cylinder head walls. Not pretty. However, we have some pretty good pistons here, looks like, so far. So I think the reason this engine had low compression is because of the head gasket, and I think this is on backwards, because if we take this off, there's a port there for fluid, water, cooling. I have to check that. And I think somebody may have made a mistake a long time ago. Anyway, we'll take those pistons out and see what the crankshaft looks like. Thanks for watching.